Yeah?
Yeah.
How about a plain hamburger bun?
Bun.
Hamburger bun?
Lemon. Some that.
I want some of that.
Some that.
How about some uncooked pasta?
Some cooked pasta.
Does that sound good?
Some good.
Yeah?
Eat that.
Yeah? You'll eat that?
Eat that.
What about a lime? How about if we cut up a lime for you?
Some kind of
Would you eat that?
lime. That.
Yeah? Or some uncooked rice?
Cooked rice.
Uncooked rice, yeah. That sound good? You cleaning your table now? Good job.
You want some garlic?
Some garlic.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just a whole clove of garlic. Munch on it.
What's on it?
You want to munch on some garlic?
What's on garlic?
Yeah. Oh, how about some ginger?
Some ginger.
You just eat a piece of ginger.
Piece of ginger.
Sounds good, huh?
Sounds good.
You want to suck on a tea bag?
Go to rag.
Suck on a dry tea bag?
Go to rag.
Does that sound good?
Then good.
Yeah?
Yeah.